Hi and welcome to Web Manuals Tutorials. In this video, I will give you an in-depth guide to the admin dashboard. So as an editor or an admin, click here on Administrator from the Reader dashboard. This is the dashboard from the admin interface of Web Manuals. And this gives you an overview of documents recently edited, outdated connections between documents, documents currently being reviewed, and documents distributed, and also the user performance. It also allows you to contact our service desk department. Let's start here under Last Edited. This will display the list of documents that have been recently edited. The date of the last edit is shown next to each document here. The number shown next to last edited is the total amount of documents displayed in the list. By clicking on a document, you open the document on the last page that was edited. Next, we have support tickets. This displays a list of tickets that you as a user have opened with Service Desk. You can click on a ticket to see the full thread and resume the conversation. You can click here on the phone, and this will provide you the phone number to the Service Desk and information on which of our offices the service is provided from. And by clicking on Submit Ticket, you can open a new ticket. Next, under Monitor, this displays a list of documents containing outdated cross-references, which in other words means links to other documents. The number of outdated links is displayed next to each document. The number shown next to Monitor is the total amount of documents displayed in the list. By clicking on a document, you open the document. By clicking on Show More, you open the Monitor Overview report. And that will show you the full list of documents containing outdated cross-references. Next, here under Review, this will display the list of documents that are currently being reviewed. We can see next to each document the workflow of the document. Inside each step, you can see the number of pages that are currently in that specific step. The last two numbers indicate number of pages rejected. And here we can see the number of review comments that have been made. By clicking on Show More, you open the Review Overview report, and that will show you the full list of documents currently being reviewed. The number shown next to Review is the total amount of documents displayed in the list. Under Distribute, this displays a list of documents that have been recently published. The date here at the bottom of the section indicates the publication date of the document in the list that has been published the earliest. The number next to each document indicates the users that have been notified of the new publication. The number shown next to Distribute is the total amount of documents displayed in the list. In this section we have Control. This displays a list of roles on your site. Next to each role, we can see the number of reminders received by the users belonging to that role. The higher the number, the longer the red bar. The number shown next to Control is the total amount of roles displayed in the list. By clicking on Show More, or on a specific role, you open the role performance. This will display the full list of roles and the minimum and maximum amount of reminders that have been sent for each. Up here we have the help search function, and by typing in a specific topic, the quick help guides will be displayed. Next to that we have profile settings, and here you will be able to find your tasks. By simply clicking here, it will open up the full overview, and you can also add more tasks here. Here you can edit your profile. You can change your password. And you can switch to the reader interface. Here under About, you will find the web manuals version you're currently using. And finally, this is the logout button. Our helpful support guides can be found here on the right. And in this menu, you can access the Help Center. Here you'll find what's new in web manuals, such as new releases, and you can see which bugs were fixed. Next to that, you have the quick help guides. These guides are dynamic, and by clicking on a specific topic, such as users, you open that specific view in web manuals, and the guide to that feature is also displayed. In this section, you have the list of video guides, and here you will find your support tickets again. And finally, the admin dashboard can be customized to your needs and wishes. Simply click here to hide or show certain items of the dashboard. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for more web manuals tutorials.